Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's PTG on the mic. Sorry for the background noise, guys. But it's okay, and also today I'm gonna be playing without this guitar connected. So I hope chance but don't know button the wire fundisana. So and also guys, thank you to not subscriber. I promise you a lot of secrets, Sungura styles, different styles now. So okay, ndo video reach 2 raziwa zvaunoda. So I like macheso. So let's begin. So I made a tab so that it can be easy, and that tab I broke it into 3 parts, just like the previous video. So the first part, I'm gonna show the tab now on the screen, so you can take a screenshot, or if you also want, you can just pause the video and just draw it the same way I did it. So the first part, it goes like this. I will show you the picking. I'll also show you the left hand where I'm holding the notes. So on this first part of the rhythm, the rhythmist, you did 2 variations here. The first one was, the second variation was. So as a rhythmist, you don't feel like you are doing much when you're just playing the same thing, on and on and on. So rhythmists, they try to bring in different variations, to use that small space they have. So okay, let's go again on the first part. Then the second part now, I'll show the tab on the screen. This is the second part now. I'll show you the picking hand. Then the other side. So this is the second part. Then the last part, which is the third part here, goes like. So I'll show it close. The picking hand. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this was helpful. Now I'm gonna put the tabs on the screen for about maybe 30 seconds. It's gonna be on the screen, 3 parts, so it'll be easier for you, just to play those parts, three, each part break it into 3 parts. Since in Sungura we have mostly 3 chords that we use, and we go 1 4 1 5, so 1 4 and 5. So you can just practice the 1, practice the 4, and practice the 5. And also I've been seeing, in the comment section, a lot of people have been asking, how does the counting goes, how do I know which chord, don't worry guys, the next videos I'm gonna be making sure that I clarify that, and I'll try to give you, the little knowledge I have. So thank you guys for watching. So while the tape is on showing on the screen, I'm just gonna be playing this rhythm slowly.